Hey guys, just wanted to share an update on Parrot and Grumpy Jack here. I've had these guys for about 5 years now. Got them as juveniles. They were in a community tank, um, but I had a Texas cichlid that was in there that pretty aggressive. Then I got a red devil, and that created more chaos. The parrot is actually very aggressive, but not a very good fighter. So the parrot would always fight with the red devil, and it just got too much. So I had to separate them. The parrot was actually pairing off with the Texas cichlid, um, but um, the eggs never hatched. I don't know if it's because the parrot is sterile, but she's constantly hatching, laying eggs. So, anyways, the red devil paired off with the Texas instead, so I kept them two in a separate tank. So we'll see if we can get some red Texas cichlids. And for now, I got Parrot and Grumpy Jack here in the 55 gallon in the fish shed. Now, they are doing good. Let's see if I can go ahead and just feed them. Feed them some bug bites. And there they go. Jack's not aware, or he's kind of skittish because this tank is pretty bare, and they've only been in here about a week. So I should probably put some plants or something in there, but every time I put plants in with the cichlid tank, they always tear up everything. So I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but Parrot is eating everything. Maybe I could put some food on the other side. But yeah, Parrot likes to bully other fish, but her mouth, isn't really made for fighting other fish. So she'll just bump or ram into the other fish. But the red doe is just way too much for her. There we go. There's Jack. There's Grumpy Jack. Yeah, Jack always looks really grumpy. It's a pretty moody fish, actually. But there goes Parrot trying to bully Jack because Jack's eating her food. Like I said, she's a big bully. Yeah, they're about 6 to 7 inches long now. Um, I got them when they were about 2 inches. So they've grown quite a bit. And then up here, I have some baby. Got this flu bowl breeding box. Got about 6 albino red guppy fry. Yeah, I guess from when I heard the albinos, parents will eat the fry, so this was the first litter, our first batch, and there was more, but I think the parents ate most of them, so these are the only 6 that I could save. We're trying to grow these guys out, but they're growing kind of slow. Feeding them the brine shrimp, but it's a little slow. So we'll see. Keep at it. Okay, get a better view of Jack here. If the light would help. Alrighty, just wanted to share that. Have a good one, all.